Hello, EveryStem members. It's Luann here. I want to show you a quick overview of how to use the new compact display feature so that you can see your entire recipe on the screen at one time when you're using EveryStem. The first thing is that we've moved some of our buttons. Our event details are now behind a button. This information you see here used to be up on the top right hand of your screen, but now it is a little bit hidden behind this event details button. It allows us to give you more room for flower rows, but it is still easy to access. You can still change the name, event description, date, and the markup. So if you are someone who doesn't use a 3x markup, but you use a different markup, please be sure to open this up and change your markup when you are creating a new event. The fee calculator button has also been moved to the right-hand side, along with the profit summary button. So if you're looking for those, they are right up there on the right-hand side of the screen, and easy access for you to still take a look at your numbers. No problem there. Now, the compact display feature, we are going to click on this checkbox, and you're going to see that the prices of the flowers over here are going to hide so that it really tightens up the vertical space so that you can see more rows of flowers on your screen. The next thing that we can do is we're going to take a look at this labor fee line. It's just a percentage, so once you've checked it, turned it on, it's just kind of taking up some space there. So if you don't want to see that, you can go ahead and just hide the labor fee line. That's going to just give you another row that kind of hides away so that you can see more on the screen at one time as well. And you can see here that we can see a lot more on the screen right now than we could before, but there's one more step. We're going to go ahead and go up to our browser, whether you use Chrome or Safari. You're going to go ahead and go up to the View menu on either your Chrome or Safari browser, whichever browser you use, there should be a View menu. And you can actually click Zoom Out, or you can use Command minus. And once you zoom out 2 or 3 times, you are going to be able to see your entire recipe on the screen. This, I think we have about 10 or 11 flowers in this recipe, and I can see them all, plus all the financial information at the bottom of the screen. So there's quite a bit of information here that I'm looking at all on one screen at one time. I can still move my flowers around to reorder them. So if I want my, greenery all together and I want my flowers all together, I can still go ahead and move those around while I'm in this compact display mode, and I'm able to see all of my flowers. So if we add one more flower to this row, let's go ahead and add a Song of Jamaica, just for example. You're going to be able to go ahead and see how much you can actually see on this screen at one time. I hope this compact display feature helps you to see your entire recipe at once, and please use it. Let us know what you think. We're looking forward to hearing your feedback.